Hazel! Andiyan ka na pala! Yung kailangan, Hazel! Ano na kasi, natutunan ako bago ngayon sa sayo. Ano yun? Yung gay lusa ka. Ano ba yun? Gay! Alam mo, madali lang ito. Sinasabi sa law na to na kapag umaasang temperature, mataas din yung prep. Gusto mo bang makita kung paano ito mapapatunayan? Siyempre naman, Hazel! Tara, mag-experiment tayo!
To perform the experiment, start by placing a candle in the center of the plate and carefully light it. Allow the candle to burn for a while, then check if it's hot by holding your hand 3 to 4 inches above the lit candle. For safety, always handle fire with care. Next, pour some water onto the plate, then take a clear glass and place it upside down over the candle, ensuring the rim touches the plate.
According to Gay-Lussac's law, when the temperature of a gas increases, its pressure also increases, assuming a constant volume. In this experiment, when the candle is placed under the glass and lit, the heat from the candle increases the temperature of the air under the glass. According to Gay-Lussac's law, the increase in temperature causes an increase in air pressure. As a result of the increased pressure, the air expands and rises out from under the glass, causing the water to rise and enter the space under the glass. This is why the water appears to rise and enter the space under the glass when this experiment is performed.
Game, 1, 2, 3, go!